Are you looking for a natural way to grow thicker, longer, and healthier hair strands? Are you struggling with stunted growth? Are your edges falling out? Then this herbal hair growth oil is for you. This herbal hair growth oil has helped me regrow my hair, grow my hair longer, thicker, and fuller. To make this DIY hair growth oil, you need hibiscus flower, rosemary, fenugreek, clove, and then moringa. This is a dry moringa. This is what I have, and that's what I'm using. Okay, and then you add your coconut oil and olive oil. To make this herbal oil, I used a double boiling method. In a pot on low heat, I poured some water, then placed my pan in it, added my olive oil and some coconut oil. Then I added my herbal blend into it. Let's talk about the ingredient that makes this hair oil so powerful. Rosemary is known for blood circulation to your scalp. It encourages faster hair growth, strengthens your hair follicles, and reduces your hair from thinning. It will help fight dandruff and scalp irritation. While hibiscus flower is rich in vitamin C and amino acid that boost collagen for strong hair. It also prevents premature graying, promotes thicker and fuller hair, leaving your hair soft and shining. The third ingredient to use is clove. Clove contains antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that improve scalp health, strengthens hair shafts, and reduces breakage. Clove boosts your blood flow to the scalp, enhancing growth and add natural shine to your hair. Fourth ingredient on our list is fenugreek seed, which is rich in protein and nicotinic acid that fight hair thinning. Fenugreek strengthens your hair roots and reduces hair fall. It helps your hair with dandruff, or if you're having an itchy scalp, fenugreek is a good remedy for it. It helps to make your hair soft and manageable. The fifth ingredient is moringa. Moringa is packed with vitamin A, B, C, E, plus zinc and iron. They nourish your scalp and promote thicker hair growth. They prevent dryness and split ends, strengthen your hair from the root of your head to the tip of your hair. After about 40 to 45 minutes of stirring on a low heat, I brought it down to cool. Herbal oil can last for you for over 2 to 3 months. You can see I used my leftover ingredients from the previous one I did, and I added to the new one. The two significant oil I used in this recipe is coconut oil and olive oil. Coconut oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that keep your scalps healthy. It penetrates the hair shafts, preventing protein loss. Coconut oil moisturizes and strengthens your hair, protects against breakage and split ends. Olive oil, on the other hand, is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, improves hair elasticity, and prevents breakage. It moisturizes your hair and prevents also from frizziness. It suits your hair scalp, reduces irritation, and adds shine to your hair. I came back to it after 2 hours when it has cooled down. Strained it in my strainer. I strained it again twice, double strained it to remove all impurities, and then poured into my container. That your herbal hair oil is ready for use. This hair oil has always been a game changer for me. I apply it twice a week. After every wash day, I always use this herbal oil, applying it to my ends and my edges. Let me know if you'll be trying this herbal oil in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified if I post a new video. Bye.